Hey, today we're gonna be making slime. Finally, with actual ingredients that you're supposed to use. So I'm gonna get the ingredients and I'm gonna speed up making it because it's gonna take a long time while I make it. So I'm gonna speed it up while I make it. I'll tell y'all when I speed some parts up. So I got to get the stuff. So let me get the stuff. Okay, I have all the ingredients. I have pink paint, purple paint, shaving cream, this, whatever, activator, and glue. So I'm gonna speed up me putting this stuff in, so let me go.